There's so much to do and not enough time not to do it. All my plans today have gone to court, but I can still listen to Pops and Bangs. I don't know why I fitted a sun strip to my car, because it's always bloody raining. I like this car. The best part of the drive to work is this car, to be honest. Having to use this daily at the minute, I kind of love it. This is like literally my commute every day to work. And it always includes traffic. Doesn't include needing a canoe though. All that is wheel spin. I won't even put it foot down neither. Oh, for God's sake, I've turned my grass up.